Good morning class. Today we are going to start with a new chapter, that is control panel, chapter number 5. So let us start with the introduction topic. So let us read out the topic first. Our human body is made up of many systems: nervous system, digestive system, circulatory system, muscular system, and so on. All these systems work together to ensure that our body works smoothly. So this first paragraph, what is trying to say that our human body is made up of many systems, and those systems would help us to move smoothly, or to carry our work very smoothly. So let us go for the second paragraph. Similarly, our computer is also made up of many different components. We have the software and the hardware. In the hardware, we have the input device and the output devices. Then we also have many programs like the clock, language, appearance, personalization, etc. That means similarly, from the first paragraph, while taking some importance from the first paragraphs, the second paragraph means that the computer also works similarly. That means computer is made up of different types of components. When all these components are mixed up together, जब ये सारे component एक साथ लाए जाते हैं, तब जाके कंप्यूटर अच्छे से वर्क करता है. When these components are mixed up together, then only the computer is going to work properly. And the few mini programs such as clock, language, appearance, personalization, etc. Clock means you can set the time according to you, date according to you, or according to the place where you are living, whether it's India or abroad. And language, whichever the language you are capable of, that means if you know Hindi, you can select Hindi. If you know English, you can select English, or any other language, depend upon the geographical area. So let us move to the next topic, that is control panel. So what is control panel? So let us read out this paragraph first. Control panel is that part of Windows operating system that provides us the ability to view and change system settings. The control panel has many small applications that we call applets. They are used for performing specific simple functions. These applets allow us to edit the setting of different software and hardware devices of the computer. So now let us understand what is control panel. Suppose let us take a general example. Suppose you are not hungry and someone offers you a piece of cake. So your mind, that means your mind is your control panel, and your mind sends a signal to you that you should not eat that particular cake because your stomach is already full. In the same way, in computer system, we need a control panel to control all the hardware plus software system which are being installed in the system, whether it's a desktop or a laptop. So this is the main purpose of control panel. So as you can see here, the control panel has many small applications that we call applets. That means कंट्रोल पैनल के पास कुछ ऐसे छोटे छोटे फंक्शंस हैं जिससे कुछ हर पार्ट्स जो कंप्यूटर के हैं उसे हम कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं, और उसे हम कहते हैं एप्लेट्स. सो लेट अस सी इन द नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. See, the first applet, or the first point, is that steps to open control panel. So first we will learn how we are going to open control panel. So very first point is click on start button. After that, click on the control panel on the right pane. The control panel window will appear on the screen. As you can see here, while clicking on the start button, you can see the control panel option here. When you see the control panel option, then we have to click on this option, and this particular window will open in front of you, and this window is of control panel. As you can see, there are different types of icons represented on this control panel. These are the different types of applets. As you can see in the next slide, the very first topic is viewing options. Let us read out the topic first. The control panel can be viewed in 3 different views: category, large icons, and small icons. When we click on the view by drop down arrow, we can see the components of the control panel. Select any of these viewing option by clicking on it. Suppose, as you can see in this particular diagram, there is an option of category. There is an option of view by. So we have to click on this view by option, and you will, in this view by option, you will get 3 different options. The first one is category, second one is large icon, third one is small icon. So according to your preference, you can select any one from these three options. So presently it is in the category option. So let's move to the next topic. So the first applet is that system and security. You can see the logo over here, system and security, how it will be represented on the control panel. So let us read out the topic and what it's trying to say. System and security. This category contains applets, most of which are dedicated to the security of Windows. Applets like Action Center, Windows Firewall, Windows Update, and Windows Anytime Upgrade allow us to enhance the safety and security of the computer. So what this particular topic, or you can say the applet, is trying to say that, so this category contains applets, most of which are dedicated to the system security of the window. That means security of the Windows means it's keep on checking the firewall of the window, whether is there any virus attacking to the window, inbuilt firewall, and Windows Update, is there any update in the OS, that is operating system. So all these system and security updates will be given by this particular applet by the name system and security. As you can see in the diagram, it is represented like this on your desktop or laptop. So other applets in this category are the power bank, the power options for dedicating functions for power buttons, backup and restore for saving the computer data to a backup facility, administrative tools to free up disk space and make partition drives on your computer, system for viewing all the details of your computer like RAM, processor speed, storage, etc. Apart from this, these applet or the other applets under system and security are this: the power option, whether the battery control, if you are using laptop, so it will indicate the battery level on the right side below on the taskbar option, and different kinds of indications will be provided by system and security applet. So the next topic is network and internet. So this is the logo of network and internet will be represented on the control panel itself. So let us read out this, what it is trying to say. This category help us to view the network and the internet connection that your computer is connected to. In addition to this, there are networks applets that help you connect to a network, add wireless devices to the network, and view computers and devices connected to the network. There are internet applets as well that allow us to change our homepage, edit our browser, and delete our internet history. So by using this network and internet option means that what do you mean by network and internet? Internet can be work only by creating a network. हम सबको पता है इंटरनेट तभी काम करेगा जब एक नेटवर्क कनेक्टिविटी इस पे रहेगी. So this will indicate whether your particular laptop or desktop is connected with the internet or not. That means with the help of Wi-Fi, or with the help of, if you are connecting your laptop with the mobile, that means you have to on the hotspot from your mobile. So all this connectivity will be shown under this particular applet topic, that is network and internet. And internet connectivity means how fast your internet is going to run, or how fast your internet is providing you the speed. All these things will be handled by this particular topic. Apart from this, you can erase or delete the internet browsing history. What do you mean by internet browsing history? Means जो आपने अब तक इंटरनेट पे चलाया है, अगर उसे आप डिलीट करना चाहते हैं तो विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर ऑप्शन नेटवर्क एंड इंटरनेट आप वहाँ से जाके डिलीट कर सकते हैं. लेट अस मूव टू द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक. द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज programs. So let us read out this topic program, and this is the logo of the programs. Here you will find the desktop gadget applet that contain gadgets already installed on the computer. You can also get more gadgets online or uninstall a gadget category, or you can uninstall a gadget with this applet. The most important applet of this category is the programs and features applet. This applet lets you see the different program installed on the computer. Along with it, you can also uninstall any program with this applet. So what this particular topic is trying to say that with the help of program applet option present on your control panel, you can easily see what kind of softwares are being installed in your system. Suppose, for example, let us take Adobe Photoshop. Adobe Photoshop is an application software which is installed on your system. If you want to erase, or if you want to uninstall from that, if you want to uninstall that Adobe Photoshop option, so you have to go on programs option, or programs option present on the control panel. In that you have to select uninstall a program topic. So when you select that topic, from that topic you will get a list of programs which are being installed on your system. As you can see here, how to uninstall. The next topic is how to uninstall a program. So what we have to do, once the list is been open in front of you, as you can see here, once the list is open in front of you, Adobe Photoshop or Adobe Acrobat Reader, so you have to right click on that particular topic and you'll get an option of uninstall. You have to click on uninstall and that particular program will be uninstalled. That means it will be removed from your laptop or desktop. In this way this particular topic program runs. So let us read out this topic, how to uninstall a program. Go to control panel, as I have told you before. Under the program category, click on uninstall a program. This also I have explained you. From the list of installed programs, click on the program that you wish to uninstall. क्लियर है? जब यहाँ पे एक लिस्ट खुलेगा, उस लिस्ट में से जो प्रोग्राम आपको अनइंस्टॉल करना है आपको उस पर क्लिक करना है. ठीक है. क्लिक ऑन द अनइंस्टॉल और चेंज ऑप्शन अबोव द लिस्ट. जैसे आप उस पर क्लिक करेंगे आपके पास दो ऑप्शन आएगा, अनइंस्टॉल या चेंज का. हमें क्लिक करना है अनइंस्टॉल पे. टू सेलेक्ट प्रोग्राम विल अनइंस्टॉल फ्रॉम द कंप्यूटर अलॉन्ग विद इट्स कंपोनेंट. दैट मीन्स जिस प्रोग्राम को आप सेलेक्ट करते हैं उसका कंपोनेंट्स जो आपके सिस्टम में लोड हुआ था उसके साथ साथ द मेन प्रोग्राम जो है वो सब आपके सिस्टम से हट जाएगा. दैट मीन्स अनइंस्टॉल हो जाएगा.